Hey there, this is Paul with ProShop. So this week's blog is about elevating from within, the importance of ultimately building your team, and your team builds the business. That's sort of the underlying principle of this. So as a shop owner, as a business leader, right, you start your business. It's often just you or a very small group of people, and you're wearing a lot of hats and doing a lot of things. We've had lots of previous blogs, and many of them will be linked below, where we talk about how to grow your team and do these things. But ultimately, when a company is small, the level of help that you need is relatively simple. Maybe you need a machine operator, maybe you need a bookkeeper, maybe you need someone to do purchasing. But as the company grows, those needs are going to get more sophisticated. You might need 5-axis programmers, project managers, people to lead other teams. You might need ultimately a CFO instead of a bookkeeper. And oftentimes the best people are going to come from within because they know your company, they know your culture, they know the systems and processes. They can help improve those things. Now, sometimes you do need to hire from the outside. That's going to be inevitable at some times, but often look at your internal people, give them opportunities to grow. And it's important to give them those opportunities by investing back in them, right? Coach them, mentor them, give them resources, send them to classes, pay for their, pay for going back to school to get a degree in the thing that they have a passion for. And when you can get your team aligned, when you can have them bought into your vision, get them on board to help you achieve that vision, compensate them well, treat them with respect, give them authority, and then get out of their way, right? Don't micromanage them, be able to let them grow and become the next leaders that you need in your business. So you, as the owner, are not tied into the daily work all the time, every day in the trenches. So ultimately, your goal is to build your leaders who can then help grow your company and take it to the next level. I hope the blog is useful and valuable to you. Thanks again for watching and reading as always, and we'll see you on the next one.